Hello friends. In part 1 video, we have seen the basic detail of Tesseract library, how we can download it, how we can see the sample and the data related to it. Now today in this video, we will going to see how we can use the Tesseract OCR library in the desktop version. So to start this, add a new desktop application in your Visual Studio project, any of version you can use. Then add the references of the Tesseract. Here I have selected reference of the Tesseract stable version, that is 5.2, that you can add from the tools and get package manager, where you can easily find the package manager console um, console syntax, and you can also search from the packages. In case if you have any problem, just comment me out. I will help in this selection. After that, let's go for the desktop version UI creation. Here I have selected the folder based input and output selection. Then this is for the selection of the folder. Output type is for the format of output I have uh, given as a text or the JSON format. So you can save your processed output file in form of the text or the JSON form, right? This is the selection for the CSV report of the processed data. That means it will create one report in the CSV file format, which is tell the input file, output file, and the confidence of the data. And this is for the progress bar. This is for the start and close button. Now, just before starting, I want to tell that the references of the code that I have taken is the similar as the sample application I have given in the part 1. So you can just check it out in case if you want to add any code reference. To start with, we are first validating the inputs, getting the values for the inputs and output folders and the output type. Then we are doing the main step, that is the Tesseract engine initialization, as we are not giving any language selection. So we are adding English as the default language for the engine to process the data. Here I have set the variable for the output processing. Here I want to render my data in the horizontal OCR, and if you are not giving this, it will default render in the vertical location. This is for the blacklisting out some characters. In case if you have any special characters, you can edit over here. Now getting the collection of the file from the selected folder, iterating each and every file, and getting image from the file, providing it to the engine, and getting the text from the particular page, right? And here we are getting the confidence level. As we have seen previously, the confidence level is the number that tells us that how efficiently engine has processed the data. This is the JSON output writing. This is the normal text output writing. And yeah, we are at the end of the process. We are updating a progress and the message for the completion, or in case of any error, it will give the completion with the error message. And here we are done. So this is the simple desktop version application, but this is more useful when you want to process the bulk of images. So let me show you how. Here you can select the input and output folder. So I have created, this is my input images, where I have taken a different images. Like this is the simple image of text, and this is one invoice, this is one card, and this is some review from the Google and transactions details. So here we will going to process this input images, and this is my output folder, which is currently nothing inside. So let's start processing this. This is my input, and this is my output. I'm taking text as output type, selecting this creation of report file, and let's start. So yeah, our process is completed so fast. And here you can see this is my output file in the text format. This is my report. And let's see how it's generated output. Output is pretty good. If you see, it's almost good content. There's nothing garbage or junk inside. If you see the transaction file output, there is a proper rupees, card number, expiry date. The date format is also shown properly, the credit amount, and everything is perfectly fine. So you can use this application in case if you are having any business related to processing the OCR on specific data. So you can go with this library. It's free and you can use this for the uh, great amount of data. Thank you.